Hey guys, today I'm going to guide you through on how to do an oil change. Feel free to use this guide on any kind of cars. First thing first, safely jack your car up and remember to use jack stands. Remember, safety comes first. Tools you will need for an oil change are pliers, oil filter wrench, ratchet and a socket, rags and a funnel, oil drain pan. Use the VIN number on your car to get the right oil filter and gasket. First thing first, pull on the hood release lever. Secondly, open up the hood. Next, you would want to locate your dipstick and oil cap. Open the oil cap. When the oil cap is too tight, use the pliers to help loosen the cap. Once you have done that, locate the drain plug and oil filter which is underneath the car. Loosen the drain plug with the ratchet and socket and use your hand to slowly remove the drain plug. Loosen the oil filter with the oil filter wrench and completely remove it. Always be sure to change out your drain plug gasket. Use fresh oil to lube up the new oil filter gasket. Remember to hand thread the drain plug before using the ratchet and socket to tighten the drain plug. Also hand thread the oil filter and tighten it as much as you can with your hands. Be sure to clean off all the oil residue. After wiping down the oil, be sure to add the correct amount of oil into your vehicle. Once you have done that, close your oil cap and turn your car on for 30 seconds, then turn it off. When the car is turned off, measure your oil level with your dipstick. The oil level should be in the middle of high and low. Once your oil level is correct, remember to reset your oil light. So if you have any questions, please comment down below, ask me questions, or just ask me whatever, and I'll try to answer your questions. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. We outie.